What's up, guys? Dirty Mike from Dirty Mike Crypto back here with another video. This morning we woke up to an absolute bombshell of an article from Forbes. Reports have it that the world's largest asset manager, Blackrock. These guys look after $10 trillion in assets for institutional investors. It looks like they're gearing up to enter the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. This just adds another layer of legitimacy to the crypto industry, along with the upcoming regulations. Now, if BlackRock is looking to get into crypto, this is going to expose crypto to that many more investors. And that is just absolutely huge for the market. And it could just see such an influx of capital. Let's go over this article together and read over it. Crypto suddenly braced for a huge $10 trillion earthquake as extreme volatility hits the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP. This article reads as follows. Bitcoin has climbed through February, as we all know, with the combined crypto market adding almost $300 billion since its January lows. The Bitcoin price is still down around 40% from its all-time highs back in November. However, with other major coins, including Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP, also far below their 2021 highs. Now reports have emerged that the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, which looks after $10 trillion in assets for institutional investors, is gearing up to enter the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. And let's scroll further down the page here. I hate when they cut it up with all these ads. BlackRock sees all the flows for everyone else and is getting and want to start making some money from this. A person with knowledge from BlackRock's plans told CoinDesk. So these guys want a piece of the pie. They're seeing how much money is getting, influxed into crypto and how much money people are making. Now at this point, it's definitely at a low point, but that's a better position for them to want to get in. These guys aren't going to want to buy at all-time highs. They're seeing that the market's pulled back a little bit, and now they're looking, it looks like, as the perfect opportunity to jump into this and get as much bang for the buck as they can get. Another said that BlackRock will allow its clients to trade cryptocurrency through its sophisticated Aladdin investment management platform. So that means anybody who's currently under the umbrella of BlackRock will be able to purchase crypto through their platform, which is just huge for exposure for crypto. While a third said BlackRock is looking to get hands-on with outright crypto and was looking at providers in the space. Scroll down a little more. BlackRock's interest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies has been growing over the last few years. In December of 2020, BlackRock chief executive Larry Fink said a growing search volume for Bitcoin on the firm's website indicated a growing legitimacy. So that just goes to show you that, this is getting just more and more mainstream and that they're looking to get into it and they can't ignore it anymore. Let's see what else we got here. So how cryptocurrency has caught the attention and imagination of many who are fascinated and excited by it. In May, Fink said the asset manager was studying Bitcoin to determine whether it could offer countercyclical benefits and speculated that Bitcoin could potentially play a role in long-term investing as an asset class similar to gold. So, Bitcoin, a lot of people at first thought that Bitcoin was going to be this new digital currency that, people were going to pay for everything with. But, we quickly found out that Bitcoin's gas fees just absolutely kill it as far as a tradable commodity and to be able to purchase commodities with. So what has really shifted in the last few years as people have been buying Bitcoin as a hedge and treating it similar to gold. So that's kind of what Bitcoin is at this point. It's a digital gold that people are putting money in. Last year, one of BlackRock's funds bought Bitcoin futures, and just last month, the asset manager filed for an exchange-traded fund ETF that would hold blockchain and cryptocurrencies. So there have been, a lot of companies that have filed for an ETF to hold blockchain and cryptocurrency. So if these guys get approved for this, that would be absolutely enormous. Through 2021, other Wall Street giants have begun exploring Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies amid increasing demand from their clients. So, people want to buy crypto, and if these financial institutions aren't willing to accommodate them, they're going to move on to people who can. So, this just really goes to show that looks like it's a turning point and a changing of the times that, they got to fall in line and start offering it. And that's going to absolutely be enormous for the crypto industry. However, most are highly cautious and have signaled that they want to see more regulatory clarity before moving forward. So that kind of goes in line with the president's regulations that are going to be coming out and rolling out shortly. So it sounds like what these guys are really doing is they're waiting to see what's going to happen with regulation. And once there's a clear regulation of what's going to happen with it, how it's going to be taxed, these guys are dealing with so much money that, they want to know what their taxes are going to be with this and what they're responsible for. So it kind of makes sense that they're really waiting to find out, what this is all about before entering the market. We do see Bitcoin's price right here is around 42,000. In July last year, Bank of America approved the trading of Bitcoin futures for some clients after Goldman Sachs. Oh my gosh. After Goldman Sachs relaunched its cryptocurrency trading desk after a 3-year hiatus, despite the bank chief's executive Jamie Dimon remaining skeptical of Bitcoin and crypto. JP Morgan last year gave its wealth management clients access to cryptocurrency funds. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency acceptance on Wall Street was bolstered by the launch of the first U.S. Bitcoin futures ETF in October last year, and corporate adoption of Bitcoin and crypto is slowly increasing. Earlier this week, the Canadian branch of accounting giant KPMG announces added both Bitcoin and Ethereum to its balance sheet, while Elon Musk's Tesla said the value of its Bitcoin holdings had grown to more than $2 billion. So I want to know what you guys think of this article and what this could potentially mean for the crypto industry. Obviously, take this with a grain of salt. These are just reports. These are not by any means official or announcements or anything like this. But where there's smoke, there's fire. So it looks like BlackRock's definitely looking to get into the crypto space, and it kind of sounds like they're waiting till regulation kind of takes hold before they do this. All right, well, that's all I got for tonight, guys. Make sure you drop a like and a sub. That'll help the channel greatly. I appreciate everybody's support. And leave me a comment on what you think about this and what this could mean. All right, guys, have a great night.